farmi ha ripreso.
Close up sulla tension dell'attesa dell'autobus. Primo treno?
Preso.
The Great Western Railway Service to London Paddington.
Siamo dei grandissimi sfigati perché il treno diretto per Paddington ci ha appena lasciato a Reading, ha finito il servizio e ci ha detto di prenderne un altro. Ottimo inizio di Interrail! Comunque io non ci avrei mai scommesso che riuscivamo a partire.
Vedi che alla fine c'è l'ora di
Fino all'altro giorno, cioè, cazzonette bruciate e bisogna vedere come arriviamo. Com'è che arriviamo?
a piedi.
Secondo treno.
Preso. Terzo.
Ok, terzo.
Reading ci ha lasciato a piedi.
Giusta osservazione. Siamo arrivati.
Sì.
Rested, changed, and now it's time to get around and have our first dinner out in Paris. First day of travel is almost gone, and we are back to the hotel after our first dinner in Paris. It was a long day of travel. Everything went well, even if with some surprises, but we are so happy that we managed to reach Paris. A few weeks ago seemed impossible, so we just can't wait to see what tomorrow will bring us. Spegni, va.
Tutto quel cosino là che fa solo al contrario.
Perché stai andando in retro?
Cioè.
Picture perfect, it don't exist.
Yeah.
When I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion.
Vicino, così non mi prendi bene.
Interessante.
Sì.
Un super calcolatore dell'85. 2023.
Keep our love intact, take a ride, turn them back so we can say long.
Chunnel. In francese perfetto. La situazione delirante in cui c'è il sole ma diluvia da far schifo. Com'era il tuo inciso? Even if just to cope with a day of rain. Ce l'hai tirato.
Al tempo più. Guarda che bello nudo che scende.
Piove letteralmente con il sole. Chiuso. Non so perché. Vabbè. Però non si può dire che non siamo stati ai giardini di Lussemburgo.
Driving through the mountains, rolling down my window, feel the warmth upon my skin. Summer's golden hour, met by midnight showers, we dance under the evergreens.
Sì, comunque sembra l'ingresso di un manicomio.
It's a good life. It's a good life. See the morning glory with coffee that you pour me. Endless reasons to believe.
Trenino.
We are here on purpose, and underneath the surface, we're a part of a bigger story. It's a good life. Oh, it's a good life. It's a good life. Oh, it's a good life. Isn't living
Panna al cioccolato.
knowing that you love me? Your goodness always follows me.
E poi adesso andiamo a
It's
fare
divine communion
anche unconventional.
between God and human.
O lo fa.
Walk back where the garden grows. It's a good life. Oh, it's a good life. It's a good life. Oh, it's a good life. Driving through the mountains, rolling down my windows, feel the warmth upon my skin.
Quella dietro ti fa la foto, quella davanti ti fa la foto e quella davanti. E guarda là davanti che ce ne sono altre.
Cos'è il trenino della foto? The third day of our travel is almost finished and we're almost ready for the next city. Talking about ChatGPT suggestions, we did pretty much everything we were suggested. A lot of main attractions. We did some unconventional things, but they weren't really that unconventional. Especially the Shakespeare and Company bookstore. It seemed more like a tourist trap to us than something really cool. And about French food, we really put some effort in it. It was a bit tough finding typical French restaurants that weren't overpriced and always completely full, but I think we did some good choices. This time we walked a lot through the city. We used the metro just when needed, and so strolling around we had a lot of opportunities to encounter surprises. For example, the Musée des Arts et Métiers. It was a really lovely museum. So if you visit Paris someday, we really suggest it. Unfortunately, the weather was not at its best. It rained a lot, and the second day there was a really strong wind, and in fact the Jardin du Luxembourg were closed. But in the end we spent 2 lovely days in Paris. It's time to pack our things, rest, and prepare for the next city, because we leave tomorrow in the early morning. See you in the next episode. Our first day in Dijon ended up really early.
Maybe we ate something we shouldn't have, or drank something we shouldn't have.